In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an Excel file with multiple sheets to Tableau. If you're ready to transform your raw data into insightful visualizations, you're in the right place. This process is a breeze, so let's dive right in and get started. Begin by opening Tableau Desktop on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll need to do so before proceeding. Tableau is a powerful tool for data analysis and visualization. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy, even for beginners, to get started. Once you're in Tableau, cast your eyes to the left where the Connect pane resides. This is your gateway to inputting different types of data files. In our case, since we're dealing with an Excel file, you'll need to select Microsoft Excel from the list of options. This step prompts Tableau to prepare itself to handle Excel spreadsheets. After selecting Microsoft Excel, a dialog box will open, prompting you to locate your Excel file. Navigate through your computer's files and folders until you find the Excel file you wish to upload. Once you've located the correct file, click Open. This action loads your Excel file into Tableau, setting the stage for the fun part: working with your data. Upon connecting your file, Tableau will automatically recognize and display all the different sheets within your Excel workbook. You'll find these sheets listed in the Sheets section on the left-hand side of the Data Source tab. This is where Tableau really shines, offering you the flexibility to work with your data sheets individually or collectively. Now, if your goal is to combine data from multiple sheets, you can do this with ease using Tableau's Union feature. You might be asking, what exactly is a union? In Tableau, creating a union means combining your sheets in a way that stacks them together, piece by piece, into one cohesive data set. This is incredibly useful if your workbook contains related data spread across several sheets. To achieve this, simply select the sheets you wish to combine and use Tableau's Union feature to bring them together. And just like that, you've successfully uploaded an Excel file with multiple sheets into Tableau. With your data now loaded, you can start crafting visualizations that can offer fresh insights and drive better decision making. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore the other features Tableau has to offer. It's a tool with endless possibilities, so get comfortable with these first steps and then continue to experiment. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe for more data-driven tutorials. Happy visualizing!